Hello there, Mo here. So, one of the problems that I hear a lot, and I have a lot, is scheduling appointments or scheduling time to focus and not have to worry about other people. So, what you have to do is either grab your phone or go on your calendar. You have to find the date. You have to, say, okay, this is the date, here's the time. You have to press buttons. You have to do all sorts of craziness to get everything. So, what I do is I use AI to help me do all of that and make it a lot faster. So using Perplexity's browser, Comet, you can do this very easily. So up here at the top, there's just a button that says Assistant. You click Assistant, and I already have this in here, but you could just add here, block out my calendar for next Monday, 2 to 4 p.m. for focused work time. That's it. Type it out, natural language. Then from here, I just say go. And then what it's going to do in the background, it's going to actually look at my calendar and it's going to actually schedule that for me. So here we go. Focus work time, August 11th. That's next Monday. 2 to 4 is my email address. Yeah, that's my email address. No conferencing, no nothing. Focus time for busy. That's it. Hit schedule. Done. And then from here, it'll say created. Then let's hop over to my schedule. Okay, your calendar is now blocked. Okay, so it just took a couple seconds. All right, so it is now blocked. Now from here, let's hop on over to my calendar. And then we can see right here, Monday the 11th, focused work time. That's it. Simple, extremely easy to do. I'm sure if I said to add people or do other things, it would send that as well. Very simple, very easy way to add appointments to your calendar instead of finding the date, doing everything. Just tell AI, have it do it for you. How much time will this save you? Hopefully this is helpful. Have a great day. Pow!